forward to this day today. We've been truly looking forward to welcoming more than 100 journalists from all over the world, from Japan, from China, where are my colleagues from India, from Canada, of course from our partner country, Brazil, from all over Europe. Great to have you all here. We've been looking forward to welcoming 20 exhibitors. You've already seen them set themselves up outside of this hall. We've been looking forward to finding out what will be on display at Hannover Messe 2026. And dear journalists, that will be one of your highlights for the day today. This afternoon, you have the possibility to get in contact, to get in exchange, to mingle with all these exhibitors that you just saw outside, and they'll be showing you their innovations in the fields of digitalization, automation, energy systems, and of course, industrial AI. So that's something that you can really look forward to this afternoon. But before we come to that, we'd like to start with our press preview conference, where we'll be giving you a thematical overview of what will be on display at Hannover Messe in April this year. And we'll be doing that, of course, on behalf of Deutsche Messe AG, but maybe even more importantly, on behalf of our partners. And when I say partners, of course, first and foremost, I mean our partner country this year, partner country Brazil. I'm truly honored, we are truly honored to have a delegation from Brazil with us today. Please introduce, or please welcome with me, the Ambassador of Brazil to Germany, His Excellency Rodrigo Soares. Please welcome Marcia Nagel, Head of Office from Apex Brazil, and please welcome Alex Figueiredo, also from Apex Berlin. Great to have you all here, we're truly honored. So of course, partner country Brazil will be one main topic today, and the other main topic, like many of you probably guessed, will be the topic of AI in industry. And we'll be having a panel discussion where we'll be talking about not the great big vision of the autonomous company, but where we'll be talking about how we can actually implement real live use cases into the shop floor, into the factory today to get the benefits out of it tomorrow. And I'm really happy to have three industry experts with me today, and also big hand of applause, please, for Lilia Kuchinskaya from German Edge Cloud, Sven Parussell from HR Robots, and Norbert Jung from Bosch Connected Industry. Great to have you guys here. And since we can't have a trade fair event without an award ceremony, of course we also have to have an